County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:29 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clue to Backcliff, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Galveston Causeway, Galveston Island West End, Texas City, Lake Jackson, Alvin, Angleton, La Marque, Santa Fe, Freeport, Clute, Hitchcock, Surfside Beach, Galveston Pier 21, Richwood, Jones Creek, Danbury, Bayou Vista, Oyster Creek, Jamaica Beach, and Tiki Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.